In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open an AI file in Adobe Illustrator. Whether someone sent you a design or you're revisiting your own artwork, opening the file is quick and reliable, and I'll walk you through 2 easy ways to do it. Before we start, make sure Adobe Illustrator is installed on your computer. Any current version can open .ai files without a problem. First, the fastest method is to open the file directly from your computer. Locate the .ai file in your folder or on your desktop. You'll usually see the Illustrator icon next to it. The .ai extension stands for Adobe Illustrator. Simply double-click the file. If Illustrator isn't already running, it will launch automatically. You'll see the splash screen for a moment, and then your document will appear in a tab inside Illustrator. This method is great when you just want to jump straight into a single file. If your system is set to open a different program by default or nothing happens when you double-click, don't worry. That's when the next method comes in handy. The second way is to start inside Illustrator and open your file from the menu. Launch Adobe Illustrator first. At the top left, click the File menu, then choose Open. This brings up a file browser window. Navigate to the folder where your .ai file is stored. Click the file once to select it, and then click Open. Illustrator will load the document and display it in a new tab. Opening from the File menu is especially helpful if you already have Illustrator open and you're switching between multiple projects, or if you want to be sure you're opening the correct file type. In the open window, you can make it easier to find your document by sorting by name or date, or by using the search bar to type part of the file name. If you don't immediately see your file, make sure the file type filter is set to show Adobe Illustrator files or all documents. A quick preview thumbnail can help confirm you've selected the right artwork before you click open. After the document opens, give it a moment. If it's a large project with many artboards or linked images, you might see helpful notices like missing fonts or updated color profiles. These are common and simply inform you about the file's setup. Once you're in, you can zoom in to check details, pan around your artboards, and continue editing as needed. If you plan to experiment, consider working on a duplicate so your original stays unchanged. That's all you need to open an AI file in Illustrator. Either double-click the file or use File, then open inside the app. Use whichever fits your workflow best, and you'll be ready to start designing right away.